This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, with a quick video showing you the setup on the 2 hourly for the S&P 500. We can see intraday the market is having a nice move to the upside after gapping up. So close to 1% to the upside on this Friday trading session. So in terms of a short-term swing trade probability, let me show you two lines that might suggest if you're a short-term trader, if you want to do some scalping trade, I would consider two lines. Number one, if you take a look at this 2 hourly chart, again, the S&P 500 2 hourly, we can draw a line as such, and you can see that it gives us what looks like early signs of a backtest failure based on the red line coming back to test the underside of that line. So that's one line to look for in terms of guidance. And there's also another line that we can draw, which is the RSI topside. A simple line connecting the recent highs on the RSI, and again we can see signs of a potential resistance here. Again, the moral here is, from an educational standpoint, these are the types of setups you look for when you're looking for reasons to go against the trend. So as long as we see this resistance on the 2 hourly, I would speculate if you're a short-term trader, it would make sense to place bets to the downside that the next meaningful short-term trade hour to hour is for a pullback as far as the market is concerned. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETFs.